Hello friends, this is Swapnil Mishra from Yours Only Pharma Tutor, and today we are going to discuss about immunoglobulins. This video is going to be very important, so watch this till the end. Let's begin the discussion. So what are immunoglobulins? Immunoglobulins को हम antibodies भी कहते हैं जो कि glycoprotein molecules होते हैं. These immunoglobulins are produced by plasma cells which are also known as white blood cells. So immunoglobulins are synthesized through white blood cells and they are glycoprotein molecules and हम इनको antibodies भी कहेंगे. They have an important role in immune response, that is they play a role in our immunity. How does they play a role in immunity? Because when some bacteria or viruses infect our body and they produce some infections, these bacteria or viruses produces antigens. Thus our body produces antibodies against these antigens which recognizes these specific antigens and binds to them. When antibodies binds to these antigens, they destroy them and thus prevent infections and thus plays role in immunity. So how does they play role? They helps to identify these antigens or these foreign substances such as microbes like bacteria, protozoa, parasites and viruses, and thus they play a role in immunity. So specific binding sites for antigen proteins are known as gamma globulins. And what is the structure of these immunoglobulins? They have a Y-shaped structure which contains two heavy chains and two light chains. Now we'll discuss about different types of immunoglobulins. There are total 5 types of immunoglobulins that can be recognized by a mnemonic called GAMED. GAMED. Each letter represents a specific immunoglobulin, that is IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. Now we'll study about each immunoglobulin in detail. In the following figure you can see different structures of immunoglobulins. In first figure IgG, it is a monomeric structure with heavy chains and light chains which provides it small size and thus it helps to perfuse through tissues. It can also cross human placenta. IgE and IgD are also monomeric in structure, while IgA is you can see there is pairing up of two heavy chains and two light chains. Thus these are dimer in structure and it helps not to destroy the antigens, but these IgA mainly plays role in prevention of passage of foreign substances in our blood circulatory system. Now if we see the structure of IgM, you can see 5 monomeric units are combined together to form a pentamer. These IgM pentameric structure provides advantage towards different diseases and it mainly plays a role as various immune functions. It provides diverse immunity against different diseases. Now we'll discuss about immunoglobulin G. As we have seen in structure, immunoglobulins are monomeric in unit, monomeric in structure, and it also constitutes 75% of the total immunoglobulins in human body. यानी कि ये हमारी बॉडी में लार्ज अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट हैं as they constitute 75% of the total immunoglobulin, and they are warm antibodies. They are found in blood, lymph and intestine. मोनोमेरिक स्ट्रक्चर होने की वजह से ये स्मॉल साइज़ के होते हैं एंड दस दे कैन ईजिली क्रॉस थ्रू प्लेसेंटा. इनकी हाफ लाइफ की बात करें देन इट इज़ 23 days एंड इट कैन कॉज फैगोसाइटोसिस विच प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन प्रोवाइडिंग passive immunity to the fetus. They are small in size, easily placenta के through cross कर जाएंगे, so they provides immunity to the fetus. They provides passive immunity to the fetus. They also play roles in chronic illness. In serious illness they provide immunity and thus they provide secondary immune response to the body. Next immunoglobulin is IgA. IgA is found in breast milk, blood, mucus, tears, intestine, lymph of human body. अगर इनकी परसेंटेज की बात की जाए देन इट कंस्टिट्यूट्स 10 to 15% ऑफ द टोटल इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स प्रेजेंट इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. 75% IgG प्रेजेंट है, 10 to 15% IgA. एंड स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो अभी हमने इनका स्ट्रक्चर देखा था. दे आर मोनोमेरिक इन यूनिट एंड इनकी हाफ लाइफ 6 days है. But the difference between IgG and IgA is they doesn't transfer to the placenta. IgG was getting transferred to placenta and it was providing passive immunity to the fetus. But IgA doesn't transfer to placenta, thus it will not play role in passive immunity to the fetus, and they prevents attachment of pathogens to the mucosa. As we can see, these IgA are present in mucus. Thus, they will prevent the attachment of these pathogens, these antigens into the mucosa layer. Next, IgM. IgM is the first antibody which is detected after infection. यानी कि हमारी बॉडी में अगर किसी टाइप का भी इन्फेक्शन होता है तो हमारे ब्लड सिस्टम में सबसे पहली एंटीबॉडी हम IgM डिटेक्ट करते हैं. इट प्लेज रोल इन प्राइमरी इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स एंड दे कंटेन्स पेंटामेरिक स्ट्रक्चर, जैसा कि अभी हमने पिछली स्लाइड्स में देखा था. सो दे आर लार्जेस्ट इन साइज. They are largest in size, they provide primary immune response, and they are the first antibody which is detected after infection. They are cold antibodies. IgG was warm antibody which was present in blood, lymph and intestine. Remember, IgM is cold antibody. This is the difference between IgM and IgG. IgG small in size, IgM large in size. IgG warm antibody, IgM cold antibody. IgM pentameric in structure, IgG monomeric in structure. IgG की हाफ लाइफ कितनी थी? 23 days. IgM की है 5 days. And they play role in acute illness and provides protection from gram negative bacteria. जबकि IgG chronic illness में रोल प्ले कर रहा था and what it was providing secondary immune response. Next, IgE. It constitutes 0.002% of the total immunoglobulins present in human body. यानी कि हमारी बॉडी में बहुत ही कम अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है and its half life is 2 days. They mainly plays role in allergic condition and hypersensitivity. कभी भी अगर MCQs में पूछा जाए एलर्जिक कंडीशन से रिलेटेड या फिर हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शन से रिलेटेड कौन सी इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है या रिलेटेड है, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट टिक ऑन IgE because IgE is always associated with allergic conditions and it provides protection from parasites. Last but not the least, IgD. IgD constitutes 0.2% of the total immunoglobulins present in human body. ये हमारी बॉडी में 0.2% कंस्टिट्यूट करता है ऑफ द टोटल इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स एंड इसकी हाफ लाइफ की बात करें देन इट्स हाफ लाइफ इज़ 3 days. It has important role in immune response. And IgD, D stands for differentiation. It plays the role in differentiation of B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes का differentiation कौन करेगा? IgD. And these are the 5 immunoglobulins GAMED which plays role in immunity and they have a major role in preventing infections and other diseases. So that's all about immunoglobulins. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. You can also share your doubts and suggestions in the comment section. Please don't forget to turn on the notification icon to never miss an update from Pharma Tutor. Thank you.